In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up direct deposit on Cash App. Open up Cash App, then click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner, and from here you just want to scroll down until you see the option for direct deposit. Click on direct deposit and it is going to take you to Cash App's banking section. Here you will see that you can get paychecks and other payments up to 2 days early. You can spend your balance anywhere, save with offers, and withdraw money from ATMs with your Cash App card, and you have insurance here. Now, what you need to do is click on Get Your Free Cash Card. If you don't already have one, here you can choose the style of your Cash Card. You can customize it, and then you will just click on Order Card. If you already have a card, then once you click on direct deposit, you will see an option Get Account Details. This is going to copy your routing and account numbers, and you will need to provide the routing and account numbers in your employer's payroll department. There, they will just add the routing and account number and make sure that your paycheck is received into Cash App. And that is how you set up direct deposits on Cash App. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.